Hello viewers, welcome to Andy Racer TV, and today we're here at the brand new FastTrax Entertainment. We'll be showing you guys the track layouts, what kind of karts you'll be driving, as well as giving you guys onboard videos so you guys can see how the track drives. I'm your host, Andrew Perez Jr., and this is Rental Kart Super Tour. Located in Fort Myers, Florida, FastTrax Entertainment opened up this past July with many different attractions. Not only do they have the rental karts, but they also have bowling, they have a large arcade and mini golf and so much more. But let's go inside now and let's check out these tracks. FastTrax Entertainment houses two outdoor tracks with slight elevation changes. One is a 3-turn junior track for small racers to have fun on. The adult track has 9 turns in total, including a short straight, a carousel at the highest point of the track, and multiple hairpin or SS type turns. For the experienced drivers on Thursday, they offer a mega track configuration where they combine the junior and adult track. This track configuration has a total of 16 turns and opens the center chicane. This is a brand new track, so I can't pinpoint average lap times, but from what I saw, the pro karts, you'll definitely want to aim for low 22-second lap times, like 22.2 to 22.4. Now let's take a look at what you'll be driving. FastTrax Entertainment uses OTL Storm karts. These are electric power karts capable of speeds up to 45 miles an hour. With their 20 horsepower motors, you have instant power out of the corners. These karts have 4 regulated speeds, from 1 being the slowest to 4 being the fastest. These karts come with racing slicks, so you have all the grip you need to attack the corners. The seats are designed to hold even the biggest person in your party. If a seat is too big, ask a track marshal for a foam insert so you can fit snug in your cart. Make sure to properly put on and tighten your 4-point harness to protect you from any crash. And now you're ready to go. Now join me as we go on board for a couple of laps around FastTrax Entertainment's adult track. FastTrax Entertainment offers 2 types of karting experiences. For first-time visitors, you can purchase the adult race sessions. During these sessions, the karts are put at speed 3, which is a good speed to learn the track at for beginners. In these sessions, the track is pretty much full throttle the whole time. Just steer the karts smoothly through the corners and you should get a fast lap time. For the more experienced drivers, you can purchase Pro Race Sessions. During these sessions, the karts are put on Speed 4, which is the fastest setting. Pro Race Sessions will definitely add a bit of technicality to the track. Coming out of turn 3 and down the short straight to turn 4, make sure to extend your kart all the way to the right side barriers. Because of the higher speeds, the karts need wider lines to carry all that speed through. Going into turn 4, this will be the only time we'll need to brake. On entry, make sure to be as wide out as possible and make your corner exit narrow to set yourself up for turn 5. You won't need to extensively brake on this corner, just a quick hard tap on the brakes will be enough to shift the weight forward so you can turn into this corner better. In our last episode, we talked about how sometimes slow is fast. Well, in turn 1, letting off for a split second on corner entry can actually help a lot, settling the kart and shifting the way forward so we can turn easier. Turn 1 is one of the bumpiest corners on the track and can easily upset the kart or understeer badly if we try to go full throttle. On your way out, don't forget to check out the other attractions that are offered at FastTrax Entertainment. You could play arcade games and win prizes, or if you're looking to cool off on a hot Florida day, they have water attractions. And for the kiddos looking for a bit of thrill, they do have rides.
Well, that concludes our visit here today at FastTrax Entertainment. If you like what you saw, hit the like button down below, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell so you can always be notified whenever we post another video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.